Okay, so welcome to an unboxing video for the Emporia TOUCHsmart.2. This product is a European version of the product that was sent to me as a sample. Some of the things are in German or whatnot, but nicely packaged. WhatsApp, Telegram signal, best brand of the year 2021, and you can see the cradle phone with a display, two backs included, one of which has the emergency call button. So let's open up the box, and first of all we have the comprehensive Emporia TOUCHsmart.2 manual. In few languages. In English, I believe starts on page 40. So here we go, page 40. Mobile phone at a glance. Operating the phone, using the phone, contacts, info center, settings. You know, step by step, nice, reasonably easy to read information and warranty. There's a separate little booklet on how to use WhatsApp. This one is in German. It was a German product. Don't know if we've got English in here actually. Let's have a look. Gruppo, no, but we've got how to set your WhatsApp up, how to use it, etc. Alright, now let's get the handset out. So it's got a plastic cover. This is the emergency call button rear back, and we can look at that in a second. Take that out. And in here we've got the cradle, we've got a wired headset, we've got a battery, we've got a European plug, USB plug, and here we've got the charging cable. And this is a spare back for the phone that's the emergency call button there, and without the emergency call button if you prefer not to have it. I'm hoping that you can see all of that in shot. Alright, so let's just take the back off. I've had this phone out, partly charged the battery and powered it up already once, so this should be working fine. I'm going to just use the emergency call button battery. That's the easiest way to open these type of phones, by the way, is in the corner at the bottom. There's usually, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little place you can put your thumb. If you just run your finger around the outside like that, the thumbnail, it will just release all of the clips, and it just comes off very easily. You don't have to wrench it off, you don't have to pull it off like that and risk breaking it. It's a very gentle way to get it off. So let's click it back on. You can hear it all snapping into place. Look and see all the seals are down, and that is done. And let's long press and boot it up. Okay, that's starting up. So we have our charging stand here. It's not plugged in, but that's how the phone would be sitting charging up. Back cord will go in the back there. Yeah, so very convenient and easy to use mobile phone. You can replace that with any USB plug, so you have lots of those in your house these days. And of course the product coming to New Zealand and Australia will have a New Zealand plug for sure. And that should be going by now. Let's have a look. Okay, and away we go. Menu, pretty easy to see, or very easy to see. I'm not going to spend much more time in this. I'm just doing unboxing, but I think you can see the keyboard there, where you've got pick up, your terminator call. You've got your WhatsApp button. You've got your address book. There won't be any addresses. Let's go back to here we go. Go back to home, and the address book will come up straight away. I haven't got any addresses in there yet, and that's the camera. Taking a photo of my hand here, down here. Well, we're not going to do that today, and go back. And this starts WhatsApp, which is not configured for your favourite chat program. You can configure it to a couple of applications, and WhatsApp seems to be the most popular. And I'll show you that a different time. So widely spaced keys, beautiful design, easy to use rocker, some special keys, 1, 2, 3. You know, your normal sort of keypad, and just nice, soft, but widely spaced, easy to touch and know where you are on the keypad. If you're a little bit find it hard to see. And then it snaps shut nicely. That's got a plastic protective cover on it right now, but you can probably see, I think you can see the time. Hope you can. So it's saying time and date and battery, and when we receiving calls, that'll show incoming call before you open the phone. And then on the back, the camera, and then your emergency call button, as I said. When you're not using it, pop it in the charger. Obviously has to be plugged in, and away you go. Okay, that's the unboxing video for the Emporia TOUCHsmart.2. This is a product that probably won't launch in our region, but just gives you a good example of what's in a typical box or a typical product. And we'll make special mention of the really good user manual. With our smartphones, they come with a guide to using smartphones, and that's an even better and easier thing to do. So that's everything that's in the box, and I'm not sure if that's all in shot, but that's the Emporia TOUCHsmart.2. I'm Batch, and I hope that was a helpful video for you.